And boom guys, isn't that just amazing? When I restarted my phone, look what I got. I got my free Cydia, so let's open it right now guys. And right there guys, what's up guys, welcome to my new video where I'll be showing you a step-by-step in-depth tutorial how you can jailbreak the newest iOS version, iOS 13.4.1 for absolutely free. So let's get started guys. The first thing you need to do is open your settings and look what type of software version you have installed on your iOS. So I do have the newest version and I do have the iPhone 6s. So let's now open any browser and go to this site, jailbreak2020.com. That's jailbreak2020.com. Type it in exactly as you see on your screen into your browser and it will take you to this page. So from here you want to select the iPhone model you have. So I do have the iPhone 6s, and now select the iOS version that you want to be jailbroken. So now tap jailbreak button and wait a couple of minutes for the site to load up everything. It has to. This will not take long, 30 seconds at most. Tap this install button. And now be patient guys, this will take a few minutes, but just be patient because it will be worth it. It only needs to load the APK file for your Cydia. You will receive Cydia. Cydia is an app that allows you to download any app for absolutely free that you otherwise have to pay for. You can get anything you want for absolutely free using Cydia, and your iOS 13.4.1 will completely be jailbroken if you get Cydia. So let's see what we have to do next to jailbreak our iOS 13.4.1. So it will take us to this page. So to jailbreak our iOS, we need to complete two offers. So we do that by completing two surveys guys. So you have a list of surveys right there. Tap on any of them. I will show you exactly what you need to do. So when you tap on any survey, it will take you to this page. So from here, tap on any answer, tap on any answer, and tap on any answer, and wait a couple of seconds for the site to load up your answers. And when this pops up, that is literally it guys. You have completed one offer. So you need to do this 2 times. So we have completed one offer, so let's go back here. Let's tap on the second survey and we need to do the same thing here. So as you can see, this is literally the same thing. Tap on any answer, any answer, any answer, and that is it guys. You have literally completed 2 offers and you can now receive your Cydia. So just to be safe, I'll wait a couple minutes, I will restart my device, and then we will see if we get our free Cydia on our phone. And boom guys, isn't that just amazing? When I restarted my phone, look what I got. I got my free Cydia, so let's open it right now guys. And right there guys, isn't that just amazing? I got my Cydia, it is completely working. I can get any app I want for absolutely free using Cydia, and you can too guys. So what are you waiting for? Go to jailbreak2020.com. That's jailbreak2020.com and get yourself your free Cydia and jailbreak the newest iOS version 13.4.1 for absolutely free. If you're having any issues, please let me know down in the comments. Leave a like and please subscribe to my YouTube channel guys, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.